Portland father aged 55 charged with assault of 14-year-old daughter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. A 55-year-old man has been arrested and charged with assault of his 14-year-old daughter in Portland. Information reaching Links 007 TV News are sketchy at this time, but it is understood that the incident occurred recently at the father's home where the child went for lunch money. The police have confirmed the arrest of the man said to be a higgler, but declined to release his information for fear of identifying the child. It is understood that at about 10 p.m., the girl who attends a high school in the parish went to her father's home to collect lunch money. While there, she was reportedly held down and sexually assaulted. A report was made to the police and an investigation started, and the father was arrested and charged. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.